Cook, and this is how to build the bot that mimics YouTube videos. And this is Tech by Tim's tutorial, but what we've done is we're going to use our own web browser and we're the client. And so we're going to mimic on our web traffic of all the websites we've visited, like Schwab and Watch the YouTube. So we're mimicking what we think the clients are doing. So we're the bot essentially. We're using ourselves to mimic what our bot is, and we're just maximizing our views on ourselves. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. You just pop this into PyCharm, follow Tick by Tim. It might take you 20 or 30 minutes, but it only took me 30 minutes. So we're going to hit run. We're going to enter in our URL. And I think that we should put it longer, because the longer it takes, the less YouTube is likely to catch your bot. So we're going to say run. That's our first one right here. And there's our second one. And we're going to play them all through. And from our web traffic, it's going to mimic, it's going to think that what your web traffic is to what you think the clients are going to web traffic to. And that's the 5th time. And you want to play them all the way through.